Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to tell you if you update iOS 18 or 18.1 or 18.0.1. So, do immediately these settings for your iPhone secure working and smoothly working. So, you know when update iOS 17.7, so our iPhone is heating during working any applications or any more things. So how we can fix and secure our iPhone from heating or any bugs and any security issues. So do immediately. So let's start the video. I'm Imran and you are watching my channel Bukhari Tech. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe first and press bell icon for more updates. So firstly, connect your iPhone with your network Wi-Fi. So you can see here Wi-Fi is connected. Go back. Now open your App Store. So tap on ID and tap on apps. So you can see here my apps is not required update. So if you have required update, so update all the apps and save to hit your iPhone. So go back. Now tap on settings, tap on general. Now you can see here software update. So tap on check for update. So make sure your iOS up to date. So go back. So friends, next feature is you can see here passwords. iOS 18 launched password application to save or secure your passwords, to auto refill and manage your passwords. So you can save your all the passwords in passwords application, which is launched with iOS 18 and 18.1 and 18.0.1. So tap on password. So you can manage this app with Face ID and Touch ID and password. So tap your passcode. So you can see here I have all the passwords, Wi-Fi passwords and deleted and passkeys and all the passwords and security you can easily. So you can see all the Wi-Fi passwords and all the your passwords you can save on your device and use. So you can also new group to join to save more passwords in your iPhone device. So go back and scroll down and you can manage this. You can also use your control center with you can check this new features. So when you music and on networks lines and also control center you can select with this section. You can also customize your control center with your one touch finger. So you touch on any, suppose that you want to create big icon on control center of dark mode, so only swipe and you can create big icon and you can easily create small and many features you want to use. Okay, so now add a control center. If you want to many adds features on your control center, so you can add from this section. Suppose that I'm screen mirroring add on your, so you can see here screen mirroring is added on my control center. So go back and one more features. If you want to lock your apps and hide and unhide and unlock your apps on your iPhone without third-party application software. So simply tap on app. You can see here required passcode. So tap on required passcode. So required passcode for WhatsApp. This app will require your passcode to open or show content in other apps. App content will not appear in notification, previous and spotlights. So required passcode, hide and required passcode. You can use two options and sections for, and you also use Face ID and Touch ID and also password in this settings. So I want to require passcode for this app. So enter your passcode. So you can see here I'm logged my apps. So check the app. Now tap and you can see here enter iPhone passcode. This app is not open because I'm logged. So tap again and enter your passcode. So you can see here our application is open and secure. So go back. So unlock this app, tap again, and you can see here don't require passcode. So tap on don't require passcode. So enter again passcode. So now your application is unlocked. So tap on app and you can see here not require passcode for this application. So go back. So friends, scroll down and you can also customize your screen. You want to need anything more, you can add on this screen, change the icons. So tap on screen. So you can change wallpapers and add the things you want to need. You can see here you can add the emojis, live photos, photos shuffle and photos and weather. You can easily use and customize. So close. And you can also use your focus on this screen. So do not disturb, personal or always display or Bukhari tag or work or sleep. So you can easily change. You can also delete this screen and also add. So tap on customize. So tap on lock screen. So you can edit your torch and camera. You want to change any more application, so you can use on this screen. So select you want to be add, and you can also add widgets and time change, and you can also customize your all the screen you want be you like. So tap on done. Go back. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you know many updates and about iOS 18 features and many more information about your iPhone features. So when you do this settings on your iPhone iOS 18 beta, so your iPhone cannot be hitting and working smoothly, and you can enjoy your iPhone and secure from bugs and security issues. So if the video is helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.